Welcome back. Time now for the financial week. The Consumer Price Index CPI for October remained unchanged. This means inflation was zero during the month. Statin is also reporting that the average rate of increases in consumer prices dipped to 4.9% in October when compared with October 2023. There was a 1% increase in the housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels division due to higher electricity and water supply rates. Additionally, the index of the division personal care, social protection, and miscellaneous goods and services increased by 0.3%, influenced by higher costs for personal care and services and products. These increases were, however, offset by a 0.8% decline in the food and non-alcoholic beverages division, largely due to a 5.8% decrease in the index of the class vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. This decline was due to lower prices of agricultural produce such as tomato, sweet pepper, and pumpkin. Chairman of the National Commercial Bank Financial Group, Michael Lee Chin, says the company has started to see the rewards of critical changes made to its operational structure last year. He was speaking at the NCBFG investor briefing this morning.
It's been 1 year since the major shakeup at NCBJ. At the time, Chairman Michael Lee Chin said he wasn't satisfied with efficiency, governance, and customer experience, which led to organizational changes at the company's highest level. Pointing to the financials for the year ended September 30, the NCBFG chairman says the restructuring has paid off. The group is reporting consolidated net profit of 23.3 billion, an improvement of 174% or 14.8 billion over the prior year.
Total assets went from $2.2 trillion last year. This year it is $2.32 trillion. Again, is that the evidence of a strong turnaround? Equity went from 171.53 billion. This year is 212.89 billion. Equity attributable to shareholders, 142.9 billion. This year, 174 billion. Is that the evidence of a strong turnaround?
But on the issue of efficiency.
Our efficiency, as I mentioned, has increased significantly, but we're still not happy. We're not happy with a 71% efficiency. We are going to mid-50s. We're not happy with a return on equity of 9.47. That's not good. But coming from 2.54, it's directionally is fine. But we're not happy with 9.54. We need to get to 20% return on equity. That is what that's where we are going.
Meanwhile, Mr. Lee Chin announced that the fourth dividend for the year will be paid in December.
That will be a 50-cent dividend coming from zero. Not good enough in terms of dividend yield, but it's way better than zero for nearly 3.5 years. Our focus now is singular. Well, it's not singular. We have, I guess, a few focus, but primarily financial focus is to pay down pay down debt aggressively, so that which will pave the way for shareholders to get increasing dividends.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
To news now on currency. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.73. $202.84 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.29. The JSE index advanced by 1,228 points, while the junior market advanced by 12 points. Among the 48 winners were KLE Group, ISP Finance Services, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, and T-Tech. The 44 losers included Elite Diagnostic, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Medical Disposable and Supplies, MFS Capital Partners, Berger, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.